Yeah. Freaking create no. And then, wait. Yeah. Do that. Do that. Get a truck! You're not getting anything! Because you're not. I'm freaking Martin Luther King. Yeah. Freaking Martin Luther King. I'm Martin Luther King, bro. I was freaking Martin Luther King. What is that thing doing next? I'm not. Press the place that you want to start in, okay? Welcome to your truck. Don't skip it! Okay. E for engine. E for engine, guys. E for engine. It's E for engine, guys. E for engine. Okay, guys, I'm done with that. Always take off the trailer. Always take off the trailer first. Yeah. Don't worry. Okay. So. What are you doing? You can't just do that. You can't just do that. There's a gas station up here. Dude, don't go to the gas. Then never go to that type of gas, bro. That gas is very dangerous. That gas can blow up your car. That gas is very dangerous. Is very dangerous. Just getting some gas. And I know that this gas is is explosive, but it's alright. That's why I pulled that guy out of the way. Because that guy. Don't slam your car. Don't slam your car. Okay, guys. Guess what it is? Oh, yay. Yay. There's a magical wall. Hooray. What the hell's that guy doing? Yo, that guy's going faster than me. Oh, I better catch up to him. He's gonna get pulled over by my butt. Take this for speeding from me, bro! Oh, God. Dude, don't hump the other car. Oh. Wow. That's just wow. No one sees this, right? Hopefully no one sees this. Yeah. Yeah, that's just awesome. Follow that guy that we hit. Follow him. We need to catch that guy. Yes, we're right next to the guy, so what do you want to do? Hit him! Yeah. Your car is so weak. You should know that. Okay. Don't stop. Okay, it's a red light. Who cares if it's a red light or not? Okay, well, I'm just going to cut right through this stuff. And hopefully I don't crash. I crashed. Just got to repair. No damage and no life. Hopefully I don't crash into those vehicles. Because that would... You are retarded. Yeah, so... See you guys back in the road. Come on, guys. Don't wait. Go. Yeah. Push you out of the way. Whoa. Whoa. Way too dangerous on this road. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm loving it. Oh, you stop. Thank you. Woohoo! Oh, God. But it's alright. Woohoo! I love it. Stop going in the gas! That's what I'm talking about. Never go on the gas. Never go on that gas. It sucks. We need to catch that guy. This will help. This means you guys should stop. Hit him! Hulk smash! And it typically looks like it's about to rain. That's what the weather forecast looks. Shut up! That's what the weather forecast looks like. It's gonna rain in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I was right. Oh, great. Oh, I have a new mail. Hopefully it's not the counter zone or not overdrawn. Oh, wait. I don't think I even freaking have mail. Because I can't get the mail, sucker. That's what I'm talking about. That crash was devastating. What was that all about? Wow, that's terrible. Yeah, and there's still no mail. I mean, I can't get to it. Wow, terrifying crash. And I'm down here in the pouring rain. Good wow. This is the worst day I ever had, except for slamming into a guy, and now the damage is 68. See, I should probably just call sir. Yeah, this is the type of music I'm talking about. This is the type of music I'm talking about. I do not care about the bright. Oh my god. I still do not care about the bright lights. It's alright, bus driver. No, bus driver. No, it's alright, bus driver. Don't cry. You're kids. Just check how bright these bright lights are. They're not bright. Oh god. But they're not bright at all. Huh. Meow, 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 booty, booty, boot, meow, 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 boo, you suck! Do. I still don't have it. That just sucks. Hey, I just hit that bench and that should be broken. Is this right, like, good to blow? It's the guy I hit. Oh, so what the hell? How'd I get hit? Let's see if anybody I'm at it. Let's see if anybody's at this gas stop. Oh, I guess not. Keep moving, sucker. Yeah, I guess that epically failed. Hey, when do we turn? Oh god. Oh man, I was like, hey, when do we turn? Oh man, I think I'm screwed because it's a black screen. Let's see if these stairs are climbable. Are they? They're not. Let's see if anybody who's at this gas station. We're about to find out. Nope, no one. That's odd. Maybe because I hit that guy. That's probably why. Damn it! I believe you're blocking it. I'll turn back on the music, guys. Guys, don't block the entry, guys. Oh, I love the music. Oh, let's hit all these poles, okay? Let's count how many I hit. 1, 2, 3. No! 5 million! Just, yeah. I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. Oh no! 11. No. Yeah. 11. 12. 13. Guys, I'm at 99%. Let's see, Mom, if I can get up to 100%. How about that? Oh damage we got. I don't think you can do it. Well, I'll be back. Definitely back. It's a black screen. We're gonna get murdered. It's not that bad, right, guys? It's only there's really no damage, guys. The wheels were very damaged. I wish that they can make every time when you get damaged, it can actually show the damage, like when you when you hit the car, something like that, how your front bumper come off something, but I'm not obviously be detail. Yeah, so back to what I'm doing best. Okay, let's turn here. Yeah, and just hit the sign. Oh crap! Oh god! Let's turn around. Ooh, look! Beautiful scenery. I love. Stop! Stop! Where you? LPCD! Where am I? Oh god dang it! I think you hit me, damn it. Damn it! Am I gonna get out of this thing alive? I don't think so. I'm the master at this, guys. I got him out of me, that's good. I just need to get out of here now. That's all, guys, I just need to get out of here now. Well, what's happening up here? What is happening up here? Well, don't crash. Car pile up! Ah! That's what I call a car pile up. Actually, not really. That sucks. Sucks for you. Your car is... Well, that's great. Whoa, it's a crane, guys. It's an ultimate crane. Bro, I love this new... What is this? Oh, God, bro. It's a new trailer I found. Maybe because I don't have... We're about to find out. We're about to find out. Whoa, it's a floating arrow, guys. I wonder what it is. What? Okay, you're turning. Okay, and... That's just retarded.